I am very proud of the company, particularly in the last 10 years as we've transformed Interfor from being a relatively small regional producer in British Columbia to a company with a continental platform. You know, we're a very well positioned company. We've got great people. We produce great products. We have a tremendous customer base that we enjoy working with. And we've created something I think very special inside this company that gives me a great deal of pride every day. There's two main elements of our business strategy: operational excellence, which is a key piece, but also growth. And over the last 10 years, Interfor's tripled in size. We've invested actively in the BC Interior, and we've acquired businesses and invested in the Pacific Northwest in the US and in the US Southeast most recently. And it's been driven by two primary criteria. One, growing our profitability through growing our top line, but also providing our customers with a broader range of products. It's also designed around delivering attractive returns on invested capital for shareholders of our business. Interfor is a publicly traded company, and we need to be very focused on generating attractive returns on invested capital. Well, we think ongoing innovation and the use of technology is an important element of our business strategy. We've spent more than $300 million to upgrade our facilities over the last 10 years, with major investments both in the United States and in Canada. Probably the best examples most recently are the Adams Lake and Grand Forks investments that we've undertaken. At Adams, we built a new facility, a new high-speed two-line mill to replace our older facility at that site at a cost of $100 million. When it started up, it reached its pro forma operations levels within 3 weeks of startup, which is unheard of for a mill of that size and complexity. And that mill now runs at something like 30% above its pro forma capacity levels and has been very successful as an investment for us. The Grand Forks investment was different. Rather than a new facility, it was a retrofit of an older facility that we had purchased in 2008. Total cost of the project was $28 million, so quite a bit smaller than the Adams Lake investment, but a very efficient one from a capital employment standpoint. And that mill's also running at well above its pro forma levels and is producing a beautiful product for us. We have other projects that are currently underway, both in the US and at our Canadian facilities. We have new kilns being installed at Baxley. There'll be a new kiln, a new overhead crane installed at the mill at Thomaston. We've just finished a new kiln at Swainsboro, which started up about a month ago. And at Gilchrist, Oregon, we're installing a new high-speed molder as part of our strategy to convert that mill from a commodity producer into the producer of high-quality finished pine boards and pattern stock. And we're very excited about all of those investments. Well, every company has its own personality, and Interfor is no different. But we are different in terms of our geographic spread that provides us with a much broader line of products to offer our customers than most of the other major lumber companies are able to do. We're very aggressive in our approach to the business and very focused on building value for our shareholders, for our customers, for our employees, and the communities that we operate in. We've established ourselves now as one of the major players in North America with a continental footprint for our operations. So we're very focused on moving ourselves forward. And I think we've got great people, I think we've got great assets, we've got a strong balance sheet. I think we're very well positioned for the recovery of the housing market in North America, and I'm excited about what the future can bring for us.